Okay, we are in the middle of deriving the compound pradipadikam ardharcha. We started by applying the sutram ardham napumsakam, which is number 222, to get ardha su plus rich nyas. We placed ardha su in the prior position in the compound because in the sutram ardham napumsakam, which prescribes the compounding, the term ardham is prathama nirdishtam. So ardha su gets the upasajana sanya by 1243 prathama nirdishtam samasa upasajanam, and by 2230 upasajanam purvam ardha su becomes the prior member of the compound. Now ardha su rich nyas gets the designation pradipadikam by 1246 krit tadita samasa, and then we apply 2471 supo dhatu pradipadikayoho to perform the look elision on the affixes su and yas, which are inside the compound pradipadikam. So we get ardha rich, and then we apply adgunaha along with uranraparaha to get ardharcha. So at this stage now we need the sutram 5474, so we can bring in the samasanta pratyaha to complete the compound pradipadikam ardharcha. The sutram 5474 says Rukpurabdhuf Pathamanak. Before going to the vritti of the sutram, let us take a look at where the sutram is located in the Ashtadhyayi. We know very well the adhikara of samasantaha. It starts from 5468 and goes to the end of that fourth quarter, which is up to the end of the fifth chapter of the Ashtadhyayi. So this sutram 5474 is in that adhikara of samasantaha. And one more thing to note about this sutram is that the anuvritti of bahuvrihau does not come down from the prior sutram 5473 into this sutram 5474. So this sutram 5474 is not limited to bahuvrihi compounds. As long as the conditions mentioned in the sutram 5474 are satisfied, it applies to all compounds, not just bahuvrihi compounds. Okay, with that background, let us now take a look at the vritti of the sutram. It says Ragadyantasya samasasya Pratyayovanta vayavokshe tadantasya tu na, which means that following a compound ending in either rich or pur or up or dhur or pathin, the tadhitaha affix a is prescribed, and this affix becomes the ending member of the compound. Now one exclusion is that when dhur is related to akshaha, meaning axle, then this sutram does not apply. That's why sutram says anakshe. That exclusion applies only to dhur and not to rich or pur or up or pathin. The note here says that anakshe iti chedaha. The term anakshe contained in the sutram 5474 should be split up as a plus anakshe. The first case affix at the end of a has been irregularly elided. It should have been aha. Instead the sutram only has a, which when combined with anakshe gives anakshe. Okay, so what we have in our example now, we have the compound pradipadikam ardharch, which ends in the term rich. So therefore the conditions for applying the sutram 5474 are satisfied, and we attach the affix a to this compound pradipadikam. So we now have ardharch plus a after applying this sutram 5474. Since we are in the adhikara of samasantaha, this samasanta pratyaha a becomes the ending member of the compound. So we get the final form of the compound pradipadikam as ardharcha. Now since the final member of the compound ardharcha is feminine in gender, as per the sutram paravalingan dvandvatat purushayoho, the entire compound would have been feminine in gender. But as per the sutram 2431 ardharchaha pumsicha, the compound pradipadikam ardharcha is masculine as well as neuter in gender and not feminine in gender. In the masculine gender, it declines like Rama Shabdaha. So the prathama ekvachanam is ardharchaha. Neuter gender declines like Vana Shabdaha. Prathama ekvachanam is ardharcham.